Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Harley Davidson Road King I want to show you. The bike comes with a 103 motor, a 6-speed transmission. It's got white wall tires, upgraded axle nut covers down here. All that looks real nice and clean. Lower fork legs look good. High density headlight on this bike. Detachable windshield. It's had a set of beach bars added to it. We upgraded the hand grips, a nice set of Avon grips in our shop. We run all of our bikes through our shop and check them out before we put them out on the lot. Upgraded floorboards, pegs, pedals, passenger boards. Nice comfortable sundowner style seat. Set of Vance & Hines mufflers, good tire on the rear. That came off. Looks like maybe there's a little rub here on the edge of this bag. Beautiful metallic silver paint. Front fender looks real nice. There may be maybe one tiny little rock chip right there. You can't hardly see it in the silver. 2014's got the one-handed bag latch here. It makes it really nice for getting in and out of your bags. This one's got the coilover shocks. It's got 7,332 miles, recessed fuel gauge there, recessed filler cap. Got a real nice sound to it with those Vance & Hines mufflers. I talked to the mechanic that checked this bike out. He said he didn't know what it was about it, but it was a really nice, strong running bike. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. Good throttle response. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.